Congrats on the purchase of your first iGo folding scooter by Pride Mobility. First step is to carefully cut off the strapping bands from around the scooter box. Slide the box up to remove it from the scooter. You'll see all of the contents are stacked neatly. Underneath the scooter, you will find the battery box and battery charger. The battery box is packaged in its own box. You will simply remove it and attach it to the iGo. The contents include a complimentary backrest bag, your battery and battery charger, owner's manual, and of course your iGo folding scooter. Here you can see how easy it is to fold and disassemble your brand new iGo scooter.